Unboxing USA 1234 here. I'm going to try out some Winchester rounds and see if they work good with my shotgun. These are just the cheap ones you buy at Walmart. Let's see how they work. Look at that, it's actually jamming up. There we go. There. Jamming up again, that's really strange. You know, I've had this gun for a long time and it doesn't really do that. There was one other time it did, but it was with Winchester buckshot. I'm going to try some Remington real quick and see if it has a different effect. Sorry my pants are falling down a little bit. I got a few shotgun shells in my pocket. Okay. So that worked good. Now, just so I can show you that it's not just Remington that works better than that, I've got some Estate, some oh, this is another Estate. This is just a mix of some weirder ammo, you know, just different stuff. Got a Federal. That's a hot gun. Got a pink Federal for breast care awareness. And finally, got a Rio shell. Let's see. So, looks like it was just the Winchester. I'm not saying nothing bad about Winchester. I might have just had a bad batch, but that's happened several times. So thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and comment.